Beginners may find investing to be a difficult chore, yet it is an essential step in safeguarding one's financial future and accumulating money. Before entering the realm of financial markets, it is crucial to have a fundamental understanding of investing. People must first identify their financial objectives and risk tolerance. This aids in choosing the proper asset allocation and investing plan. Spreading assets over a variety of asset types or diversification may reduce risk and increase possible profits. It might be wise for novices to begin with low-cost and accessible investment alternatives like exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or index funds. These funds provide exposure to a wide variety of assets, lowering the risk involved in choosing specific stocks. A fundamental element of effective investing is making regular contributions to investments and maintaining those assets over the long run, as short-term market swings shouldn't distract from the long-term goals. Patience and discipline are essential. In addition, novice investors can benefit from the suggestion of financial experts or from using robo-advisors as they embark on their investment path. Beginners may start on a road to financial success and accomplish their investing goals by being knowledgeable, patient, and consistent.